you can see, this is descriptive phenomenological study or design, correct? Patricia, you okay?
Oh, I'm okay ค่ะ
Okay, Sorasa, maybe if you cannot find, go to the method show everything. Okay, the method show descriptive phenomenological design what used for qualitative study and gain deeper understanding of experience of the client with schizophrenia. This include interview client with schizophrenia who receive therapeutic is intervention. They experience with this phenomenon. This is why it's phenomenological or phenomenology. Okay, and what kind of the craft activity? Craft activity is look like what we call it fabric scarf, handmade doormat, or letter stationery, basket, wood craft. This is the craft activity. Inductive approach explore the lived experience of the client in appreciating the occupational therapy intervention in relation to daily life and occupation. This is mean they use this craft in hospital to intervene with the patient. This is why we try to find out about their experience after use of craft activity. Okay, research design. Did the researcher team establish design before beginning study? This is I use the onion layer to help you to design. Okay, the study this the design developed during data collection. Sometimes you can change with existent in the forefront. If you change like that, it means that you need to announce or amendment with ethic as well. Inform to the ethical committee. If it's not taking risk, the ethic gonna allow you to do the research. Okay, if you got good and well designed, it's gonna be go smooth. Is the design suitable for addressing the research question or not? Does the design facilitate a detailed and thorough examination for phenomena being studied? And if there evidence and that researcher consider their own bias and perspective in design process or not. We need to critique. Sometimes researcher not confused. Sometimes we bias or try to put everything good. It's overclaim. Tell the facts, the real experience that we grab from the participant. It's not cartoon movie. That is the research. Tell the fact. Tell story the fact. Okay. Research design. Did the study have underlying ideological perspective? If it's underlying and underpinned support by ideological perspective or direction, is very good way. What the evidence? Strong collaboration between researcher and participation. We are the observer outsider. We observe the client. That is phenomenology or phenomenon. But if participatory action research, it look like bring the participant to move something to correct the problem in their community, right? It's another ideological perspective. Okay, you not think about this. If you don't think about it, you cannot know about the research design and frame in the future in the second step, third step. Did the research have potential to be transformative, or was there evidence of transformative process occurring or not? If they can transform like this evidence to another or not? If it cannot, why? Why this hospital is mental health is not the same? If the group is the same, it looks like schizophrenia. It might be about this is the group for people from new type. Their meaningful of occupation is not the same. People in the north or in the central area of Bangkok, we investigate and show meaningful already. Is why you can need to give answer, explain. It looks like interview procedure. You can see interview guideline, semi-structured guideline. How many minutes? 45 to 60 minutes or 1 hour in isolate room. Blah. You need to inform mock interview before. Okay, it might not just only read for the client or participant. You need to just only have a look and you can look like speed. You need answer from them. Okay, based on specific guideline of descriptive phenomenal design. Is for example the question: what are the craft activity that you receive here or in mental asylum or mental hospital? Feel good about value for you for your life, and could you state why it's meaningful? Some people, oh, it's not meaningful. We agree with them because they experience. Okay, did you feel that craft activity make you reflect on or make you think about yourself at home and your work? Some people, I never do that before. It's tidy. It's very stagnant. It's very enjoy. Some people it's very enjoy because I use this at home. I used that before. I got experience. This is the information from the participant. Blah blah blah. Okay. Sampling and setting. Okay. If the setting or context in hospital here, mental health institutes of study well descriptive, suitable for research patient or not, or some context in rural area or in community, are procedure for selecting sample clear outline or not. We need to good check about inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria as well. Some people they got schizophrenia, they don't have cognitive or conscious because electrical shock, cannot speak well. You need to be excluded first or waiting for until he got conscious, he got thinking, he can tell story. Okay, this is how to select. What sampling strategy for employee? How to use strategy? Okay, where the specific eligibility criteria for study. We need to set about inclusion criteria, eligibility in terms of this. They have a right to give or not. We don't do no harm already, but if they give something of their experience with about craft, specific for them or not, or they never, we find about if we use propulsive or specific client who got experience, who passed this already, passed this craft activity at hospital. This is why we need to interview them. How were participants recruited for the study? We advertise at ward, at hospital or not? Okay, and did the recruitment criteria or strategy result in participants who are able to provide valuable information or not? We know we advertise in the box, in the door, and they understand. We talk with the nurse. Okay, everything for what we call about status of them. They have a prompt. They can speak. They are ready to speak, to tell their story about the experience or not. Okay, sampling still based on information requirements of study, and was sampling approach suitable or not? Are all relevant aspects and phenomena being studied or adequate represent the sampling? This sample size sufficient? Why just 7, 10? You can use 10 or 11 or 12. Why I need to stop at 7? Sarasa and Gil, do you know or not? Why?
Can you repeat the question again, please?
Why we sample size just only 7 schizophrenia participants?
Because you got the ความอิ่มตัวของข้อมูลนะคะ I forgot how to the word in English.
Yes, because the information is saturated already. At saturation, we need to stop. If we interview more 10, 11 or 15 is okay. Still the same answer. This is why we need to be stopped. Okay, saturation or saturate ข้อมูลอิ่มตัว We set about 15, we interview just saturate about 11, we stop. This is why qualitative, some saturate is 5 participants. We cannot calculate sample size by using Yamane. We cannot use about for finding about qualitative. Qualitative 5 is okay. but is appropriate. Some people 8 is okay, 7 is okay. This is you can see 7 can publish in international publication. Something or client or participant is just really small sample size in here. You critique is long way in terms qualitative. Okay, sample size is 7 in terms quantitative is very small size. Okay, I agree 7, but this is the qualitative paradigm or perspective of thinking is not the same, right? So make sense? Make
Yes.
sense? You make sense? This is why we don't have a formula for calculate sample size in terms of qualitative, because the qualitative needs about experience, okay, or about their narrative, about their doing, not about the number. It's the textual data, right? Okay. This researcher indicate they reach a point of saturation in their data correction or not. Do the finding demonstrate a detailed and comprehensive understanding of the data or not? Finding demonstrate detailed and comprehensive or not? Is cover complete or not? Cover with objective, with aim, with research question, and the key characteristic of the sample size described need to be described. Is the thorough description of participant and context allow for evaluation and generalize of the finding, general ability. We can access if some publisher need about the detail. We store it already. Some publisher need about consent form in the qualitative report that I submit. They need, even though I got ethic already, some paper, some journal need, they didn't show to the reader, but they need to be stored in the what we call about not back office in data bank is the real. It's got evidence, even though the Thai word we done already. I make to be a PDF file and send to editor. We didn't imagine, or what we call in Thailand we call mano. We cannot use that. Imagine. This is the real thing. It's a fact. Give them. Okay.